Follow the options to open Adobe Fireworks. Then select Create New Document. Type 150 for the width in pixels and 50 for the height in pixels, and ensure that transparency has been selected below. Then click on OK and your canvas should look like this. The first thing you'll need to do is select Edit, Insert, then New button. Use the rectangle tool to draw your rectangle, and you can change the size at the bottom in the properties pane. I'm going to make it 120 width by 20 height. You can adjust the colour using the bucket tool. I'm just moving the position of the box so it's in the centre of the canvas area. And now what I'm going to do is choose a colour and put an effect so that we have a 3D glow effect on this button. And I just have to adjust the number here just to make it a little bit more apparent. Next, I'm using the text tool to add some text to the button. I've saved 2 pictures from the internet in my documents, which I'm using the magic wand tool to take the background out so that there's no white patches in the back of the image. All I'm doing is pressing delete on the keyboard. And now I can copy and paste this image straight onto the button. I select Don't Resample because I can change the size of it myself. Now I can just copy the whole of that button design onto the next state, which is the over state. And I'm just going to change the image. Again, I'm removing the background of the image. And copying and pasting it onto the button. For the down state, I'm just going to copy the button again and just change the image so it's the same as the up state. Then I'm just going to go back through the states and just change the colour, so go up the scale with one colour so that when the user hovers over the button and presses the button, it changes colour and the picture changes as well. And once you're finished, you just click on Done. And if you press F12 on your keyboard, it will open up the button in a browser. As you see, when I hover over it, it changes colour, and when I press it, it changes colour again. So I'm going to add a link for this button. So I'm going to call it shops.html and then save the button with an appropriate name in the relevant folder.